Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can use the Opera AI chat assistant on Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you'd like to communicate with the chat assistant on Opera AI, launch the Opera browser and you will see the AI button in the top right corner to access this communication panel so that you may enter your question or prompt here, press enter or click into this button or use the voice mode here to dictate or to record your question, and that's it. You may also open the Opera AI chat assistant to or into another separate tab, and it would look like, let me just navigate to it, new here, and it would look like this. However guys, if you don't see that AI button in top right, it may be due to two possible issues. One, it may be due to the AI feature here on Opera AI not being activated yet. So to do that, click into these three lines on top right, scroll down, and here under Opera AI, enable the button in the toolbar. And alternately, navigate to your browser settings, and in the top left, select settings. Here in your browser settings, navigate to Opera AI and enable the feature entirely here. There you go. If I enable it, the button here will appear. However guys, if you don't see that section here in your browser settings, it may be due to your Opera browser not being or not using the newest version. So that's option number or solution number 2. That's the case, navigate to opera.com and download the newest version from there, and you should see the Opera AI feature here in your browser settings to enable it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.